Beae video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use the Hotspot element Beae Shopify Page Builder. What is Hotspot element? Hotspot element allows you to create interactive images that highlight the relevant information. A hotspot can be added to an image that acts as a hypertext link to the product or a custom description. Beae Theme Builder allows you to customize hotspot in so many different ways with multiple options that you can explore in this video, that you can optimize the hotspot element Beae to the fullest. Let's get started. I will show you the most detailed UX of Beae hotspot element. First, create the session. Go to the element. Drag and drop the hotspot element to the desired position. Click on the hotspot element. The right side of the screen will appear Content tab, Style tab, and Advanced tab. In the Content tab, you can customize image, hotspot, and tooltip. First, in the image, you can choose image and untext. Image size allow you to change the size of the image with this option: default or 400 by 300 pixels, 800 by 430 pixels, custom, and more. If you select custom for image size, you can change your size by filling the width and height that you want. Besides, you can also select if you select custom for image size, you can change your image size by filling the width and height that you want. Besides, you can also select how you want your image to show: center, top, bottom, left, or right. In addition, you can also enable or disable use image link and use caption. Secondly, in Hotspot, you can customize the detail of the item that appear on the photo. Change label, add icon, and customize icon position in icon position. In addition, you can also select the sort for that item. In particular, for customers to have the most detailed information, please add image and content for the item. Note that should add button link so that customer can easily take them to the page to buy that item. In addition, you can also select sort for that item. In particular, for customers to have the most detailed information, please add image and content for the item. Note that should add button link so that customer can easily take them to page to buy that item. Finally, customize the tooltip. So when allow you to change when to show the hotspot. You can choose hover, click, always show. Animation allow you to change how to show the hotspot. You can change between fade or slide. Animation duration allow you to change the duration for the animation. Style tab, you can still customize the image, hotspot, and tooltip. First, you can customize the size of image in width, mark width, and height. For the most perfect image, I will customize the same when displayed on mobile. Alignment allow you to change the alignment for image. You can also choose between these settings: left, right, center. Opacity allows you to change the opacity of the image. In addition, you should also use the CSS filter, box shadow, border, and border radius to make the image stand out more. Second, with Hotspot, you will customize the typography. Customize the font style of the Hotspot button text. It can be font, size, weight, transform, and more. You can change the color of the text and background. Besides, customize the box shadow and border as I instructed earlier. I will customize the icon and tooltip for you to understand how to do it. In the Explain tab, you can also customize spacing, background, border, responsive, animation, and attributes. Margin spacing. Margin is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between section and the column. And you can also customize the width for Hotspot. This Hotspot can also set position. However, according to Beae note here, it's not considered best practice for responsive web design and should not be used too often. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a hotspot to sticky on top, this hotspot will always stick to the top and will not disappear when pulled down. Hopefully, if you choose stick at the bottom, the hotspot will always stick to the bottom. In addition, you can also vertically align to the left, right, or center of the hotspot. Similarly, I will also customize this element when the hotspot is displayed on mobile. To make the heading more prominent, you can change the background here, or add a border and box shadow. Responsive allows video to display on desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If you check high on desktop, Hotspot will only be displayed on the tablet and mobile, or vice versa. You can also customize the effect when the video appears. Hotspot can be displayed right on the page, or can run from the top to bottom, from the right, from the left, or from a variety of different appearance. Let's customize them in the action animation. In addition, you can also customize the hotspot appearance effect in the animation direction, animation delay, and iteration animation section. Finally, attributes will allow you to deeply intervene in the code of hotspot element. This section will be for those of you who want to design professionally. Alright, that's all for you to need to know about the hotspot element of Beae. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.